This is a video of my 20-inch Lakewood P223 box fan. My friend Ben gave this to me, so shout out to you if you're watching this. And this particular one was purchased 7/17 of 1980 at Murphy's department store, or something along those lines. Anyways, 3 speeds, all original. And it is in like almost mint condition, but if we look over there, there are a few broken slats in the grill, but other than that, it's pretty much untouched. And without further ado, we will give it a demo. Here is low. Medium. And high. And off. And we are going to watch it coast. Well, there you have it. That has been my Lakewood 20-inch P223 box fan. Peace.